Okay, so we left off here in the last video, and what I'm going to show you is, again, if you're trying to figure out where you are in the process, if you look to the left, we have just moved into the ad, or what they call the created. Basically, we're going to create an ad. So if you start from the top, you see we don't necessarily need to name it. That's fine. They leave it as conversion. Then we move to the next section, which is identity. First, we want to identify what page we're going to be going to find our ad. We know we created this ad on my coaching page, and if there's an Instagram page that was matched up with it, it would actually pull that up too. You could actually create one, but we're just going to stay away from that for today because I'm not going to be using Instagram to do this. Now you can use create an ad yourself and do this directly from here without creating the post first. But in some cases, I like to have mine posted first so I know where to find it. You have to actually do a little bit of digging if you want to find out where these ads are when you create them. They will say sponsored, but you'd have to go dig for them and find them. Whereas if you create the post first, you get the exact same result, but you know your post is already on your business page, and then you can actually share it to different groups and other places from your business page. All right, so we'll click on existing, use existing post, then we'll click on select post, and we'll pick the actual video that we just recorded, go to continue, and as you see, it's already up and running. We don't have to do anything except make sure that it's labeled properly. And then from there, we hit confirm at the end, and this will start running based on the budget that we set for the amount of days we set. But as you can see here, we're going to click on the add a button. Why? Because we want to also have that learn button send us to the same place as those links send us for the actual ad. So if you go back to the Facebook page, what you'll see is those links right there in the ad. We're going to copy it or highlight it. You can click on it actually. It'll take us there. That's a little bit long, so you can use that, but we can basically take the short version of it, put it in the ad, and this will take them to the exact same place that that link is taking them, which is where we want them to go. So it says download because we actually offer them a download. So you want to make sure you look through the ad copy that you've written and then make sure that it matches up with what you say on the button. So we talk about here, get your free report on this open house and get registered for multiple door prizes. So they download that and they get registered at the same time. From there, you can see the pixel hasn't engaged yet, but at least the pixel is connected. Once we get our first lead, it should turn green for us. And once it turns green, we are pretty much just waiting on people to put their information in there, and we're going to try to set those appointments and move forward from there. But this is how you basically go through setting up the Facebook Ads Manager campaigns that you want to run and how to get them to actually make money for you. Again, you got to be patient and you have to follow up. But this is the process. And hopefully you've gotten a lot out of this. And if you look for any of my other trainings, we'll walk you through some of the more advanced and technical things on Facebook. But for now, this should take care of you with the virtual open house and using Royalty as your platform of choice. We'll see you next time.